Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to talk about multi-line strings in Python and including both single and double quotes in Python strings. So I've got a file open called multilinestrings.py. Let me create a string variable. Let's call this one string_1. And we'll do single quotes here, and we'll type out this is line 1. To create or to go down to the next line, we'll do a /n. This is line 2. We'll go down to the next line with another /n, and this is line 3. And the /n is the new line character. And to print this out, let me get rid of some of these extra lines here. To print this out, we'll just print string 1. Okay, I'm going to right-click and run this file, and we'll see that our output here, for output we have this is line 1, then we go down to the next line. This is line 2, and then you go down to the next line, this is line 3. Okay. We can also do this with double quotes, so I could change this to double quotes here. And as long as I have a double quote here and am consistent and have a double quote here, I can't have a double quote and then a single quote. You'll see that my IDE is giving me an error. It's underlined. It's underlining the string with red. So you have to be consistent. But if I run this program again, I'll get the same output. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. Okay, let's create another string variable. So I'm going to get rid of this print statement here, and I'm going to create a new string called string2. And I'm going to set it equal to 3 quotes there. Okay, and then now I can type this is line 1, this is line 2, and this is line 3. And now, if I go to print, I'm going to print string 2, and I run this. Okay, you'll see I'm getting actually a space here. So what I could do if I wanted to have it exactly the same is I could go back like this, and then I could go like this because I'm getting some space after, a line after, and then I could run it. Okay, so now we've got that output. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. Okay, so it's another way to format it, and this makes it a little bit easier to read. Okay, now if I'm using single quotes or double quotes, and I want to include a quote, let's create a different string here. So for string 1, let's do single quotes, and let's say I want to say, hi, my name is Tim. And I can do double quotes within single quotes, and then if I go on down here and print string 1, and I run it, I'll get the output, hi, my name is Tim, with the double quotes surrounding Tim. So it all works fine. But if I wanted to do single quotes within single quotes, you'll see I'm starting to get some red underlined there, meaning that I have some kind of error going on here. So in that case, if I really want to do that, I would have to escape the single quotes with this slash here, like so. Now I can go ahead and run this and have the output, hi, my name is Tim, just fine. Now it might be easier, instead of escaping these, to just surround these with double quotes here. And then I don't have to escape the single quotes. I can run it, and you see, hi, my name is Tim, and that's in the single quotes. Now I can use the 3 double quotes to also do this. So I could do string 2 equals, and then I do 1, 2, 3 double quotes, say, hi, my name is Tim. Okay, and I'm going to go down here and print string 2, run it, and I get, hi, my name is Tim. That runs just fine. Now, one thing you may note is if I'm doing double quotes in here, and I try and run this now, you'll see there's a little red. It says, syntax error, unterminated string literal, detected at line 3. Okay, so what I need to do here is just add space. And then if I run this, now everything runs fine with the double quotes inside of the triple double quotes. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.